Audio Jungle.
Honda didn't need to reinvent the CR-V for 2023, as it is already one of the best-selling compact SUVs in the US and the automaker's most popular model. For its sixth generation, the CR-V grows slightly, sports a more upright and squared-off front end, and has a modernized cabin with larger touchscreens and higher-quality materials. The CR-V's handsome interior design is highlighted by a honeycomb-textured insert spanning most of the dash that discreetly hides the air vents. The steering wheel frames a partially digital gauge cluster with an analog speedometer and a 7.0-inch display that allows the driver to swap between different informational menus. Honda says the front seats are designed to decrease driver fatigue on long trips and that the new CR-V's driving position has been improved. Between the front seat passengers is a large center console bin, and behind them are reclining back seats with an extra 0.6 inch of rear legroom compared with the outgoing CR-V. There are 36 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, 39 cubes on gas-only models with the adjustable load floor in its lowest position. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.